Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna go over how to join TikTok creativity program beta. In this particular video I'm gonna give you a brief overview of eligibility and how you can actually qualify as soon as possible. Let's launch a TikTok app first. So where you're gonna find all the monetization functions and eligibility criteria and opportunities, you gotta click on the lower right corner, click on the profile icon. Then I want you to go ahead and click on the three straight lines on the top right. When you're over there, when you're over here, I want you to click on the first option, which is Creator Tools. When you're at Creator Tools, you have a special section over here, which is monetization. Let's go ahead and click on Creativity Program Beta. So, most of you guys probably are already familiar with the program. I have a second account with over 70,000 followers that is currently enrolled in the program. So I know a bit of bytes about the program itself. So the eligibility criteria are 10,000 followers, at least 100,000 video views in the last 30 days. This is simply to prevent the bots creation and the people who are purchasing accounts today and try to monetize tomorrow. And you should be at least 18 years old. Also remember, your country should be eligible for the program. Not all the countries are so far. But the tips that I want to give you is going over here on the feed and showing you what types of videos are actually getting the most attention. So if you go over here, a lot of these people who are doing lives, they simply are not interested to qualify for the program simply because these people are selling products, as you can see over here. So the videos that you want to focus over here will be news related videos. TikTok creativity program is not paying you for old videos. Let's face it. I had videos that had 1.4, 1.7 million views over the summer last year. And if you go through the earnings, every single month after, they didn't generate absolutely nothing. So the video stopped generating earnings probably 25, 30 days after posting them. Okay. So this is not some YouTube video which will keep generating revenue for the years to come. Okay. So the main point over here is that you want to make sure that you're focusing on the news, like this guy, right? Focus on celebrities, what is happening around them. This will simply give you the boost of the trend because this is what currently is happening. You're making the news, the content is already out there. You can simply, simply change the script, paraphrase particular articles, and go ahead and do it. Short videos over a minute long, right, to qualify for the creativity program beta. And you will be able to gain these 10,000 followers very easy simply because this is the trend and people would like to have someone to keep them updated about the trends, the news. It's very easy strategy to follow, guys. You don't have to come up with the content because the content is out there. There's a bunch of videos on the actual TV networks that will cover the topic. There are a bunch of blog posts, bunch of newspapers. So you just have to pick your source, paraphrase, and you have to ask probably ChatGPT to give you a brief overview for a video that is over a minute long. Simple, clear, visual. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.